So guys, we got a little package from Euro Tuning. Specifically, we got some blind spot mirrors. Specifically, these are the blue tinted ones that still maintain the function of being heated. So we're gonna put these on today, and I'm gonna show you guys exactly how to do it. All right guys, I'm gonna show you guys what they look like. Look at that. Very, very nice. A little bit more up close. Still has the film on it, but very, very nice looking. This is the back where it pops in, and then these are the two wires that you plug in. So, but first we do have to get the old mirrors out, so I'm gonna show you guys exactly how to pop those out. So when you're doing this, you want to push. So you just want to push the mirror off to the side like that, so then you can get the edge right here, and you just want to put your hand behind here, and you just want to pull on here. Just be a little careful. Okay, so you do have to pull a tad bit hard, but you kind of, like the way I did it is I just put my hand back here and I applied a little bit of pressure right here at the same time. That way I kind of stopped myself. So that's how you pop out the old one. And then just remember there's two wires right here. There is a blue and I think it's a brown one right here in the corner. That's what gets you your heated mirrors. So these, you just grab the silver piece right here and you just pull them down. You might have to wiggle it a little bit to get it off. There we go. All right, so this is the old one. The only difference is this little clip right here. This clip, I don't think you have to transfer it over. Yeah, you shouldn't have to transfer this over. That's the only thing that the stock ones have compared to the upgraded ones, is this little clip. And now we're gonna go grab the blue one and we're gonna put that on. All right, so I'm leaving the plastic film on for now just to make it a little bit easier when putting it on. That way I don't get my fingerprints all over it. But like I said, you're just gonna put the brown wire here and the blue wire on the right one. So brown left, blue right, and then this is the part that actually snaps in and keeps it in place. First, you're gonna do the wires, obviously. Push until it fully slides on, and then you're gonna do the same for blue wire. So now that they're both completely on right here, all you have to do now is push it on. So you'll hear it, the sound that it made. That means it's nice and all in place. And I'm just gonna tilt this, just making sure that it's all good. And then all you have to do is peel it. Look at that. Very, very nice. It's not a crazy blue too. Online usually like you see it and it kind of looks like a crazy blue, but it's really not that much of a saturated blue. It's a very, very nice blue. Doesn't stand out too much. Now I'm gonna do the right side and then I'm gonna show you guys how they look after I do that. Oh yeah, check that out. Very, very sick. This one was actually like even easier than the left one, but look how sick that is. There is a line right here. I'm not sure like really what the line does, but they do say it's a split mirror, so maybe you can see a little bit wider on this edge, but very sick.
All right.
So guys, that's it for today's video. If you liked the video, make sure you hit the like button and subscribe if you haven't already. I'm gonna leave the link to these mirrors in the description. Like I said, they're really great, they look great. I got in the car to check them out, and they do give you way wider of a view. You can see so much more. They're blue tinted, helps with the sun. Also, you get to keep your mirror, like the heated mirror feature. Always great to have. So yeah, like I said, I'll leave the link in the description if you guys want to pick it up from Euro Tuning. Shout out Euro Tuning, and I will catch you guys in the next one.